today we're playing tornado game with my brother again.
Logan,
Yeah.
you wanted cheese, okay? Logan, come on. Yeah, let's go. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, there.
We did a picture.
Alright, so let's get some stuff that we go and what's it called?
Tornado meme.
Oh, tornado game.
Okay, wait. Come for me. Okay, he went to the hospital and he survived. He just lost too much blood in that tornado. Yeah, you lost too much blood, man. I was about to cry.
shelter in a strong place to be during tornadoes in a basement. Get under a work bench or other furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blanket close to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat under a stitch or otherwise cover your head with your hands.
Jesus! I think we need a tomato country. Oh! No! No, don't jump! Don't jump!
The National Weather Service issued a tornado warning. North Central National Weather Service downward radar indicated a tornado on the ground near Haiti, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This tornadic thunderstorm will be near Haiti. Hashtag red people, green lane. This is a very dangerous storm. For your protection, seek shelter in a strong building. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body and always stay away from windows. If in a mobile home or vehicle, evacuate and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is